for workshop, they say make you go fix battery head, or you wan fix battery head as a counter or as an apprentice. The easiest way when you fit take know the wire when you go put for manuals. See am here, manuals. This one na plus. See am here, plus. See am, plus. So the easiest way to know the wire when you put for manuals, so that you no go blow your brain box or blow something for the vehicle, you find the wire when e join to the body of the motor, whether e join to this body or join to engine. So any wire when e join to the engine join to this engine, when they tie join this engine or tie join this body of the motor, tie join anywhere for the body of the motor, like this one now, they tie am for the body of this motor. So any wire when they tie join the body of the motor or engine, now they